Okay, you got this taken out in here and smoothed it down. We sanded this a little bit here, taking this down a little bit up in here. So what we're going to work on now is our eyelids and our eyebrows, now that I know where I want to put them. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're lining this out, so we can take this down in here a little bit, then we're going to put eyebrows on the top, cut them out, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to work on this a little bit more, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.